Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to merge Facebook pages. First of all you have to do is open facebook.com and sign in with your page account. Once you're signed in to your page on Facebook, click on your profile icon or the account section on the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy, click on settings. A new page will open. From here, you have to find the button or the option called page setup. Click on it. Now, on this section, you will be able to see merge pages. So if you do not see any button, for example, I will show you an article from Facebook. So after you click on the page setup, which we have just clicked on it, then you will see an option called merge pages. Click on view. But as you can see, there is no option to merge page on my section or on my options. So if you do not see the option to merge pages, it means that your pages aren't eligible to be merged. So my page is currently not eligible to be merged, but if your page is eligible, you will see a button called merge pages. You have to click on it, and there are some restrictions to merge pages. For example, if you want to merge two pages, you have to make sure both of the pages are owned by you, which means you have to be admin on both of the pages. After you merge, one of the page will be deleted, so you have to make sure from which page do you want to merge to which page. The from page will be deleted and the to page will be yours. That's how you can merge Facebook pages. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.